Yeah.
I got dizzy when I come in here. I don't know why.
Yeah, na? I think because of the height. Open na imuhang kuan day. Open sa na imuhang kuan kay
Zero? First zero.
Da?
Null.
Da?
Yeah. Good girl.
day 2.
But today you're going to be more quiet. I hear enough shouting and crying from you this morning.
Yeah.
Mayor is angry.
Mama, why you doing it? Why you put the rain jacket?
We need rain jacket kasi maulan. So rainy outside. Yeah.
Mama,
Dagan bag problema ning isaw eh. Come on. Palso kami sa shop guys. See? Nandito lang talaga sa baba yung grocery shops. Bili naman kami ng raincoat kasi maulan guys. So dapat may raincoat. You wanna hold mama? Finish your cookie first, okay? Hala, we forget to bring wipes. We gonna buy here. Tanawa lagi ng naog. But we forget to bring wipes. So guys, ito namin sa day 2. Andun yung hotel namin, oh. Natin, yung blue. Sakay kami ng tram. Mayor is eating chocolate. Milka?
Yeah.
You're German, eh.
Swiss.
Milka is German, right? Swiss? Okay. I didn't know. At least walang ulan at the moment. But is this like where we're going again? Van Gogh, na? Van Gogh,
Yeah.
right? So let's go to Van Gogh Museum, guys. This is the way. Muni ang atong agian. Francene, are you not cold? You wanna wear your jacket, B?
That's it.
Ang ganda, guys. That is the famous museum dito sa Netherlands, guys. Ay sa Amsterdam. Yung anong pangalan niya? Basta Rejik man to. So, good job. Walang ulan. Pero tanawa ang dagum, guys. Grabing dagum. Where are they now? Yeah. Watch out sa mong gilakwan. Ganda dito. Hangin, oy. Hangin naman. Hangin. Van Gogh Museum, guys. This is the place here. Hala, ang ganda naman dito. Umuulan na siya, guys. So, good job. May rain jacket kami, pero hindi pa namin sinuot. So, guys, punta kami sa Square Dome. Ay, Dam Square. Dam Square, basta?
Dam Square, we gonna
Dam
go,
Square. So, kanina, the weather is like, kuan ba? On and off.
On and off what?
Raining, sunny. Now, sunny na naman. Then, mudagum naman siya. Earlier, when I wake up, I tell Frank that ako kasi, I was the first one to wake up actually at 7, I think. Or, I was awake already 6 something, but I didn't get up. And then, it really, really rained. And I said, oh God, just today and tomorrow, please give me a sunshine. So I can enjoy the 3 days lang kami dito. And then, it's raining. It's really heavy rains earlier. And last night and this morning, it says 90% chance of rain. Imagine, 90%. So there's no chance actually.
We gonna go outside.
Yeah. So now, wait. Yeah. Then, malamig siya ngayon, pero ang weather is like, minsan merong sun, minsan wala. So, good. So, I think God heard my prayers. Early morning, I really say, oh God, please, just for today and tomorrow, give me sunshine. Dininig yung ampo ko. Coffee me, guys. Sabi ko ka Francene that she should wear her kuan guys, iyahang jacket, rain jacket niya, because the weather, ang weather is very the weather is like mama, moody. Do you agree, Mayor?
Nein. Doch.
The weather is like mama, moody. Better not. Just look at her, Better not. She agreed to. It's really like mama here. We're going in the ice cream. Yeah, we go inside pa. Look at how excited they are seeing ducks. Okay, come on, we go inside. Fun pa? Guys, there's einhorn duck here. Guys, here, Francene.
This is Spider-Man.
You're gonna say to Papa. We get one for you. Yeah, no. What's this glass here? Let her pick that. She wants einhorn. Yeah? Did you see something? Look here. It's all just ducks.
Das ist ein Blick. Normal. Also, Francine, willst du das?
Yes. Order si Ella ng bubble tea. Look at this guys. Ang cute guys. Ang cute.
Go there? Go there, go there. Look, look, look. Francene. Hold it. Eat from your hand.
Eating the bread.
You should give it to the bird.
Ah, Francis, give it to the bird. They gonna take that with you. Oh, good job. Good job. No, not that he's gonna eat it, pa. He's gonna eat.
It's the bird should
Francis, come here. You're eating my shoes now, baby. Do you wanna go out now? Go, Francis. Cook my Francis.
Ah. Look, Francine. You're that close.
Lai. Watch out, bicycles. Look at this house, guys. Ang cute niya. Crooked siya. Hiwi. Cook. Oh, look at that. Para siyang hiwi. It's nice. Cute. Cute naman ito eh. Yeah? Grabe yung mga houses dito, guys. Nakaka-amaze talaga. Napakaganda ng Amsterdam. Beautiful city. Do you agree, Mayor? Yes. German just confirmed that. Hala, what is this?
Hey, look at this. Look at this. This is rare. Look down here. The caca from a dog. I haven't seen that all day today. It's the first time I see caca from a dog.
Yeah, in Germany, so many kaka. What is this here? Looks like this is the... It's not the kuan? I don't know. You know what? There are lists of tourist spots in mga spots na... Huh? They were saying ang dami ng tourist spots sa Amsterdam, but may mga tourist spot pero actually all the places in Amsterdam, we are, seems like in a red light district pa. Guys, we are in Montepelmo. Yung pinag-filma ni Catherine Bernardo at Daniel. Yung kinain lang ice cream pala. Montepelmo. What do you want? Water? You want water?
Mama.
Water, yeah, water. Water. Hello guys! Wala akong bra kaya down tayo. Ano na dito? Alas 10 na ata o alas 9? 9 na. Kanina pa kami nakauwi din. Naglabad akong ulo. Nasakit yung ulo ko kasi grabing abot. Feeling ko dahil sa I'm gonna bring you to sleep still, okay? No, the fries is there. Kumakain kami ng KFC guys. Take away lang kami. Dito kami kumain. Tapos, maanghang siya. So, maanghang yung nabili. Parang mix siya. Maanghang yung iba. Saan tayo? Ibang nanonood ng TV. Hindi siya kumakain. Hindi siya kumain. Ayaw niya. Nandito sila. Francis, umiinom ng tubig. Grab. Daming naubos itong olives ba? Nandiyan na si Francene at si Ella. Kumakain sila ng fries. Nandun si Mayor. Nanonood ng TV si Mayor. Last night namin dito guys. Uwi na kami bukas. Ang dali Ang dali lang. Pero enjoy na enjoy. Ang ganda talaga sa Amsterdam guys. Francis, be quiet. So, ang ganda sa Amsterdam guys. Grabe na ano talaga ako, namangha talaga ako sa mga ano nila dito. It's really a beautiful city. Kaya nakakaano kasi 2 nights lang, 3 days and 2 nights lang kami. Hindi siya kaya na malibot hindi ko kaya mapuntahan lahat. Hindi namin napuntahan yung ano. Kasi nga sa weather, may yung may windmill ba? Hindi namin napuntahan pero okay, that's okay. Oops. That's for sleeping. Gusto magbuot yun kasi. Yeah. So, ikuan ko na. Pumunta ka dito, meron silang tickets na good for 1 hour. And meron din daily ticket. Mas maganda yung daily ticket kaysa kung 1 hour, 3 euros ata siya dahil. Tapos, 3 euros 30 ata or basta 3 euros siya pero for 1 hour lang. So, in the end, bumili kami ulit ng 1 hour ticket. So, today, ang ginamit namin daily ticket. 8 euros siya. Tapos, each, si Ella, ako at si Frank, yung 8 euros each. Tapos, whole day na siya. Kahit saan ka pupunta, basta whole day. So, ayun. Tip ba? Tip ba? So, tonight, hipos midaan. Tigpit para bukas pag-check out namin, hindi na kami mataranta.